Hey folks, DJ with Rob's Cool Garage, and got another project for the 2013 Ford F-150 XLT with the 5.0 mud flaps. These are not, I don't believe they're actual Ford, but they say OEM replacement. So I'm pretty sure that I don't have to drill any holes for this, and if I do, I'm not going to put them on. I'll find a different brand. But we're going to go ahead and get these put on. I got one for each tire. So it looks to me like the rear ones are a little bit wider. It's a little bit wider than the fronts. So yeah, let's go get those put on. Alright, we'll go ahead and start in the front here on the driver's side. This one, front left, yeah. Now, which one do I need? Oh, no, for the bottom it's so you need an 8mm or a 5.5mm to take these two out, and then on the bottom it's a little plastic clip. So let me grab my tool. Okay. So I was wrong. You don't need the 8mm for the bottom. You need a trim tool, because there's a little plug down here. Let me show you. Take you off the stand. There is a, where is it? There. This. There's just a plastic plug there that needs to be pulled out, and that's what you'll use for the back mount. So I've got this little trim remover. It should slide right up in that. And I should be able to just pop that right out. Yep, there it comes. Just like that, see? Alright. Now, this can go two ways. It looks to me like you could, there's already one on here, you know, a small one. But it doesn't cover this part, it just covers right to here. So I think I'm going to leave that one on, and then just put this one right up on top of it. Okay. Now let's get these two put in. And then this one should go right in the bottom. You can't really see it, so I'm going to have to lay down on my back to get to it. There's the hole. There it is. Yep. Alright, now let's just tighten these back down. Oops, wrong one. Alright, and that's it. It does stick out a little bit though. I really don't like the way that fits. I mean, there's a pretty good gap here. I'll show you. You can see the gap? I can get my finger down in it. Same thing back here. Get out of the sunlight. Yeah, pretty good gap. I'm not liking that. I mean, it doesn't matter, I just don't like the look of it. So, do I leave it or not? I don't know. Gonna see how that looks. Why is this not focusing right? Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know if I like that or not. I think I'll leave it for now. It's more utilitarian until I find a better way to deal with that. You can see the tire kicks up mud and stuff onto the body itself, and that's what I'm trying to stop. Especially with these tires, either the Duratrack, the Wrangler, Goodyear Wrangler Duratracks, and they like to pick up and throw rocks, not pebbles, rocks. And I drive on gravel roads, so yeah, that's why I wanted my mud flaps. Though on the rear, it kind of does the same, but it's a little bit further back here. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna leave them on. I'm gonna leave the front ones on. I'm gonna go ahead and put one of these on. So let's go ahead and move to the back. Back one, you're gonna need again the trim tool to take. There's a plastic plug right here to take off, and you'll need a 10mm to take a bolt off down here. Now, if you notice on the mud flap, it's got another hole up here, and that's where they're telling you to drill a hole and mount it. I am not going to do that. I don't want to drill any holes, so I'm going to use double stick tape. This is the Gorilla Outdoors double stick, and this stuff is strong. I'll put a link to it in the description, along with the link to the mud flaps, and probably a link to the trim tools that you can buy to help make things a little bit easier and you don't break everything. So let's go ahead and pull that out of there. Alright. And then take our 10mm off. Neat. Oh, that don't want to come off. The long bolt. Yeah, that's a pretty long bolt. So, alright. Now, let's go ahead and get it lined up. That one's going to go there. And this one will go, let's see, there and there. So these back ones fit a little bit better. They look a little better. You know, not a huge gap back here, but you can see this is where they want you to drill a hole. I am not going to do that. I'm just going to use the existing one. Okay, small amendment to the install. Right here you can see there's a clip now, and hopefully you can see it. I can't tell. Anyway, this came with the kit. It's just one piece in like a U shape, and it's just long enough that it fits right behind this, and the hole is just to this side. So I didn't drill a hole, but it's holding perfectly now. So do that. Yeah, there it is. Mud flaps are installed. You can see they don't move. I kind of don't like that they want you to drill a hole up here, but that's fine. I'll live with it. I may find a way to incorporate that in somehow, but we'll see. But yeah, that's it. They look good. I think they'll work great, and I do have the wheel liners already, so don't have to worry about that. And yeah, if you'd like to go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. I'll catch you all in the next one.